Ever feel like your ideas are all over the place, no matter how hard you try to organize them? What if I told you there's a super easy way to turn that mess into a clean, organized mind map in just seconds without lifting a finger to draw anything? Sounds impossible, right? Well, with EdrawMind's cutting-edge AI, it's actually super easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how this incredible tool can help you organize your thoughts in no time. Whether you're brainstorming or working on a project, this tool will totally change the game for you. Stay with me to see how it works and why you'll love it. So, what's all the hype about EdrawMind? It's not just another mind mapping tool, it's an AI-powered productivity powerhouse that helps you organize your thoughts in seconds. With over 15,000 templates for personal projects, work tasks, and schoolwork, EdrawMind lets you create mind maps, analyze documents, and even process images effortlessly. Plus, you can chat with the AI for instant help, turn ideas into PowerPoint slides, and collaborate with your team, all in a flash.
Before I show you how to get started with EdrawMind,
I'm super excited to share something incredible with you guys. Skillshare is the largest online community for creatives and curious minds, with thousands of classes taught by real industry-leading experts across every field. For example, if you're into machine learning with Python, you can learn to build models from scratch and even deploy them with Flask. Or if you're excited about AI, you can take a hands-on class where you build a full-stack AI app using Fast API, TensorFlow, and React. It's perfect for anyone who loves web development or machine learning. What really gets me excited about Skillshare are their learning paths, these step-by-step classes designed to help you master a specific skill. Whether you're into marketing and business, video editing, or even interior design, Skillshare has everything you need to become an expert. The best part? Skillshare doesn't just let you watch lessons. You'll actually create real projects and get feedback from the community to keep leveling up your skills. It's hands-on learning at its absolute best. Want to check it out? Just click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. The first 500 people to join Skillshare get 1 whole month free trial. It's a great chance to try out new skills, learn something cool.
Now, let's get you started with EdrawMind. Simply click the link in the description to visit the official website, download the software, or use the online version. Trust me, the best experience comes with downloading the software. Now that you're set up, let's check out some cool features. When you click Create, you'll see a range of options from EdrawMind. We'll go through all of them, but first, let's start with the local mind map. It's perfect for brainstorming and simplifying big ideas. You'll get a clean starting point, and you can add topics or delete everything to start fresh. It's all about making the tool work for you. Let's say I'm brainstorming a marketing strategy. I type marketing strategy, and EdrawMind's Generate Subtopics feature instantly suggests related ideas and connects them with smooth, curved lines. It's perfect for organizing even the most complex ideas. But it gets better. Once you have those subtopics, the one-click mind map feature takes things to the next level, helping you visualize processes or strategies easily. Want to brainstorm a specific topic? Just hit the feature, and in seconds, it'll propose 5 insightful questions to help expand your thinking. Looking for more ideas? The AI can also generate 5 additional suggestions to boost creativity. Here's where it gets even more flexible. You can customize the tone of your output, whether formal or casual, and even translate it into different languages. As for your mind maps, customization options are endless. Adjust fonts, colors, shapes, and more. This makes brainstorming and organizing ideas quicker and easier. Once your map is ready, adding topics or subtopics is simple. And the relationship allows you to easily establish connections between your ideas, automatically showing how everything fits together, keeping you organized and focused. Here are some great options to enhance your mind map's visual appeal and functionality. The tool automatically shows relationships between ideas with smooth, curved lines, making connections clear. The callout option lets you add notes without cluttering your map, keeping everything organized. Once your map is set up, you can easily adjust the layout, move branches, and even ask the AI chat insightful questions. It provides answers in minutes, boosting creativity and saving time. How awesome is that? But that's not all. The tool also generates a neat text outline of your mind map, offering a clear, organized version perfect for reports. Plus, you can create Kanban boards to visualize tasks and track their progress, making it easy to stay on top of your projects. Here's the game changer: converting your mind map into slides. This lets you present your ideas in a clean, professional format, ready to share with your team or stakeholders. You can also create slides by simply providing a keyword on the topic, and the slides are fully editable for adjustments before your presentation. Plus, you can collaborate with your team by inviting them via email or sharing a link to your work. Let's take your workflow to the next level. Struggling with long, complicated documents? AI file analysis helps you quickly make sense of them, cutting out guesswork and saving time. Simply upload your documents or paste a YouTube link with subtitles to create a mind map. With intelligent file analysis, key points are extracted and you can customize the map, adjust page style, change summary length, and export it in your preferred file format. It's fast, efficient, and saves loads of time. If you're working with images, EdrawMind lets you generate what you need with a simple prompt. Choose your settings like resolution and style, and within minutes your images are ready. You can enhance them with tools like Smart Cutout, Smart Remover, Photo Enhancer, and Image SR for upscaling. Compress, remove watermarks, and access Pexel's stock images. Quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Hit the like button, subscribe. If you want to see how AI tools boost productivity, check out my other video, how EdrawMind AI creates pro-level diagrams and charts in seconds for even more life-changing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.